Alright, welcome back to another break by All Cards Team Case Breaks. We're breaking one box of Panini Limited Football for A-Rod 305. Good luck. We have a spotlight off the top. Sue, number 225. Greasy. I don't know why all these cards are going 27 different directions. A Phenom Spotlight. That's number to 49. Isaiah P. We got a Phenom Patch, Crazy Patch. Wow, look at that. That is number 249. Ooh, another autograph. Phenom Whitney Mercilus. Is that one card? No, that is a sticker. TJ Graham. Somewhere, jersey. Number to 49. And a base card of Michael Turner. And here's your box for A-Rod 305. Again, Andrew All Cards Team Case Breaks.